Alright, this is for those of you who are confused with what rod knock sounds like. Yes. Alright, you can cut it now. Stop. Cut it off. Yeah, so that's rod knock. Turn the damn thing off.
Why? I want to blow the shit out of it.
No, because it'll probably damage the transmission. Or something else we need. So yeah, that would be rod knock, people. Not that little wop 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 sound you hear coming from the VCT or anything else. That's your fuel injectors. So next time someone's confused about rod knock, there you go. That's what it sounds like.